top headlines for the day.
So the Ae Dil Hai Mushkil teaser is released and it is a movie cum song release showing Ranbir romancing Aishwarya Rai. Yes, set on the background of Ae Dil Hai Mushkil, the title song, the teaser takes us to the journey of four stars Ranbir Kapoor, Aishwarya Rai, Anushka Sharma and the suave Fawad Khan. And the scenes between Ranbir and Aishwarya are indeed seductive, hot and happening. This is the second time the Bachchans and Kapoors are getting together. Some years back, Abhishek Bachchan and Karishma Kapoor were engaged and it never happened. Today, after years, we see Karishma's brother Ranbir romancing Abhishek's wife Ash. History repeats itself and Karan Johar has perhaps woven a fascinating tale. However, the scenes are eye-catching and Ranbir and Ash really look good together. The teaser sure gives us lot of food for thought and the hot scenes between Ranbir and Ash suggest an interesting storyline. The much-awaited teaser of the blockbuster Kejo flick Ae Dil Hai Mushkil would release. Yes, this is the most awaited film of the year for many reasons. It is a Karan Johar movie and we know what it could be like. It is a love triangle and has a suave and handsome Pakistani star Fawad Khan in it, creating a complicated twist to the main story. It has a beautiful and gorgeous Aishwarya Rai, who we would again like to see after her Jazba stint. Then of course we can see Ranbir and Anushka, who are respectively gaining popularity in their own way in their respective lives. After the split with Katrina, everyone is keen on to see Ranbir on big screen and see how he sizzles with other heroines. So many reasons to watch a movie, so why not begin with the teaser and hence the build-up. Well, Smith is in town to meet his buddies Salman Khan and Akshay Kumar, and that means party. Last night, Akshay hosted an intimate party for Smith and invited many of B-Town stars, from Ranbir Kapoor, Arjun Kapoor and Varun Dhawan to Alia Bhatt, Sonakshi Sinha, Shraddha Kapoor and Jacqueline Fernandez. Everyone was super thrilled to click pictures with Will Smith, and Alia tagged one of her with Smith, Varun and Jacqueline as The Pursuit of Happiness. Quite thoughtful. According to reports, Akshay is a huge fan of Will Smith and had expressed a strong desire to host a bash for him whenever Smith comes to Mumbai. After parting with Akshay, Will is now on his way to meet his old buddy Salman, who will be leaving for Manali soon to shoot for the second phase of Tube Light. Salman's parties are famed to be one of the best there, as he takes very good care of his guests. Both Salman and Will are now headed for Salman's farmhouse in Panvel to party hard. Right, so we saw Salman posing with Waluska D'Souza and Amy Jackson, and Ashley, the costume designer, captioned it as possible Dabangg 3 heroines. So are they? Is it Amy or Waluska, for both are good friends of Sallu? Meanwhile, we also did hear reports about Sonakshi being in the scene for Dabangg 3. Maybe it is not all that confirmed, but we also did hear that she is not in the flick at all. We sure would miss Sonakshi in the Dabangg series, but professionalism, personal hurt and ego also matter at times. With recent developments, however, we feel it is all about how Salman is gonna choose his actresses, so are Amy and Waluska in the line? Anyway, with the upcoming Tube Light gathering all attention with Zuzu, this is but a work of talent and creativity. Zuzu and Salman were seen chilling on the sets of Tube Light, and they certainly had a lot of things to look out for. The duo are gonna have a great chemistry on screen if they are in this form off screen. As for those who wish to see Bhai back in action, here is a toast to the Sultan of Bollywood, who always knows how best to make a mark for himself in the minds of those who really adore him. The combo of Zuzu and Salman is picking up, and we are happy to see them cozy and comfortable together. As for those who were thinking that there would be an Indian heroine, well, they are not entirely wrong, for there is a second heroine being contemplated, only it has to be decided. Till then, on the sets of Tube Light, it is gonna be Zuzu and Salman. Salman Khan keeps surprising and exciting us with his big arsenal of potential blockbusters that he has in store for the near future. While we are excitedly waiting for Tubelight due to release next year, news is already out for the sequel to Ek Tha Tiger, Tiger Zinda Hai. Ek Tha Tiger shook the box office in 2012 and Bajrangi Bhaijaan reached even greater heights. People have now started comparing Salman's Tiger series with Matt Damon's Bourne saga in Hollywood, calling it Bollywood's answer to Jason Bourne. The shooting for Tiger Zinda Hai will mostly take place in international locations, and sources tell us that there will be many Hollywood stars cast in it as well as an international female lead. This probably confirms that we won't be seeing Katrina Kaif in Tiger Zinda Hai, but going by how things look now for the series, we expect some kick-ass action, superb stunts and a badass storyline. We did tell you that Anushka and SRK are shooting for a film in Prague, and it is directed by none other than Imtiaz Ali. So here it is, the shoot and the pictures from there shared by Imtiaz himself. Yes, the film would have SRK as a life coach, and one only has to now wait for its release. Everything is exciting when it comes to SRK and his work, and when it is combined with Imtiaz, then the going is gonna get really thrilling. The combo of SRK and Anushka rocked when we saw them in Rab Ne Bana Di Jodi, and with things really pepping up, we are really waiting for the release of this film, which is in the reckoning. The video shows all gearing up for the shoot, and we quite are now eager about it. The Times Celebex, which deals with popularity of stars in the market, has now come out with this amazing result that is none other than Salman Khan and Anushka, who top the popularity list. Yes, the Sultan co-stars have hit it big when it comes to getting famous, and aren't we so proud of them? Salman, busy with his Tubelight, is really in the news for his 300 crore plus performances, and Anushka is busy with the year-end release Ae Dil Hai Mushkil starring Fawad Khan, Ranbir Kapoor amongst others. Meanwhile, all is well in the Salman camp as he is getting ready with his shoot, and such popularity statements are only gonna make things come alive all the more. The Times Celebex had others in town, but we were only extra keen to know about these two.
खेल की बात हो रही है तो MS धोनी फिल्म आ रही है, उसको लेकर क्या अपेक्षाएं हैं? MS धोनी के ऊपर फिल्म आ रही है, उसको लेकर आपकी क्या अपेक्षाएं हैं?
बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग लग रही है। आई थिंक उनकी एक ऐसी कहानी है जो हर कोई जानना चाहता है और हर किसी को जानना चाहिए, क्योंकि एक बहुत ही इंस्पायरिंग स्टोरी है। तो आई एम रियली लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू द फिल्म। बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग लग रही है। आई थिंक उनकी एक ऐसी कहानी है जो हर कोई जानना चाहता है और हर किसी को जानना चाहिए, क्योंकि एक बहुत ही इंस्पायरिंग स्टोरी है। तो आई एम रियली लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू द फिल्म।
खेल की बात हो रही है तो MS धोनी फिल्म आ रही है, उसको लेकर क्या अपेक्षाएं हैं? MS धोनी के ऊपर फिल्म आ रही है, उसको लेकर आपकी क्या अपेक्षाएं हैं?
बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग लग रही है। आई थिंक उनकी एक ऐसी कहानी है जो हर कोई जानना चाहता है और हर किसी को जानना चाहिए, क्योंकि एक बहुत ही इंस्पायरिंग स्टोरी है। तो आई एम रियली लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड